Hey, I am the dude. You know, Lebowski. I am here to tell you about DJ Larry and All Occasion Sound, a professional disc jockey service in Northeast Ohio. Larry got his start on the radio at the University of Akron in 1986, and has been playing in pubs and clubs ever since. Larry hosts a music trivia show several nights per week in the Akron area. Find out where he is at and go win yourself some prizes, dude. Larry has a music library that is second to none. Covering all genres and musical types, Larry also has a huge music video library that is perfect for sports bars, pubs and theme parties. I love me some old school MTV music videos, if karaoke is your thing. Larry has that covered as well. He has a huge karaoke library. Whenever I go to sing with Larry, I sing either Madonna or Springsteen, but seriously, Larry's specialty has got to be weddings. He has hosted hundreds of weddings over the last 20 years and is great at it. His voice and personality make any reception an event to remember. If you are looking for a cheesy DJ who plays bongo drums or screams at your guests, don't hire Larry. His presentation is tasteful and entertaining. Larry is the dude you need to hire for all of your entertainment needs. Either go to his website, www.djlarry.net, or give him a visit at one of his trivia shows. Larry has been in the top 5 on Fox 8's Hot List, and on the Beacon's Best List for several years. Go check it out. Well, that's it, dude. If you want a great party, call Larry. I've got a game to bowl, and some food to chow on. Peace, love, and The Big Lebowski. Later on, dude.